It's dark here. Good night. Can you switch on the light? I'm going out. If you observe carefully, this AI is not following the fixed commands. Instead, it is understanding the intention behind what I'm saying. For example, when I say good night, the AI understands that I'm going to sleep and no longer need the light, so it automatically switches it off. Now in this video, we are going to build this AI voice controlled light using Google's Gemini AI, Whisper AI, Python and ESP32. So first, download and install Python by visiting the official Python website. Since my PC is 64-bit, I have downloaded the 64-bit version. After the installation is complete, open the command prompt and type cmd, which is a command, and hit enter. First type this command. If it displays the Python version, that means Python has been installed successfully. Next, we will install the required Python libraries. First, install the serial communication library using this command. Since I have already installed it, it shows requirement already satisfied. Once that is done, install the speech to text libraries using this command. Install the Google Gemini library using this command. Now let's get the Gemini API key. Open this link. Click on key icon. Then click on copy key. Next, open your D drive. Create a new text file and paste this Python code. Replace your API key with your own Gemini API key. Second, verify that the COM port matches your ESP32. You can check the COM port from the Arduino IDE. Now click Save As and save the file as gemini.py. Remember, the .py extension is mandatory because it tells Windows that this is a Python program. Change the file type to all files. Now let's move to the hardware section. For this project, we will need an ESP32, a 5V relay module, a bulb holder with plug, and an AC bulb, female to female jumper wires, and a 3.5mm microphone for speech recognition. Now open the Arduino IDE and upload the ESP32 code. I have also provided this code link in the video description. After uploading the code, make the relay connections. Cut only one wire going to the bulb holder. Connect one end to the COM terminal of the relay and the other to the NO terminal of the relay. Connect 3.3V pin of ESP32 to VCC pin of the relay. Connect ground pin of the ESP32 to ground pin of the relay. Finally, connect the D2 of the ESP32 to IN1 pin of the relay. Now open the command prompt. Navigate to the folder where you saved the Python file. Then run the program by typing this command. Before we test the project, there are two important things you should know. First, we have not implemented a wake up word like Alexa or OK Google. So for now, you will need to press the enter key. Second, the ESP32 is currently communicating with the computer through a USB data cable. It is not using Wi-Fi at the moment. We can upgrade this to Wi-Fi communication in the future version. Now let's test the project. It's dark here. Good night. Can you switch on the light? I'm going out. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Blue Electronics, and give your valuable feedback or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.